That's the second day now. It has never been coming water so long. Usually it's no more than 24 hours. And the amount of water is more as well as usual. So it remains a mystery where this waterfall is coming from. In summer last year it was once or twice a month, but now it hasn't been for a couple of months, and the amount is larger and lasts longer. So nobody knows, at least people who I've been talking to, nobody has an idea where it is coming from. Especially considering that the amount is different. Sometimes only half a day, and when it doesn't arrive till the cave, when it's only over the cliff and it's not enough to sieve through all the rocks. But this time is longest what I've seen in 1 year being here. It's never been 2 days, now it's almost 2 days. Began yesterday early morning. And it hasn't stopped yet. Significantly less than yesterday, but still. By this time usually it should only come a few drops. Not like this. And all over the place. Anyway, cave has already the water has gone out from here. So I mean, it's no more inundation, it's just wet. But the water has run away, it just has to dry now. Anyway, it remains a mystery where this water is coming from.